Philhealth is hacked. In a world interconnected by technology, where data flows freely and information is exchanged in the blink of an eye, there arises a critical need for guardians of the digital realm. Welcome to the forefront of the digital battleground. Welcome to the cybersecurity class. So, if you're curious about the world of hacking for good, if you're passionate about safeguarding digital assets, then We and How to Start is your gateway to achieve your goal. Join now and embark on a journey that will reshape your digital understanding. Welcome to the How to Start Cybersecurity class. To give a brief understanding of the issue, let us identify all participants in this incident. The acronym Philhealth is a Philippine health insurance corporation created to deliver universal health insurance coverage for all Filipinos, making healthcare more accessible and affordable for many. Friday, September 22nd. In 2023, the government agency was hit by Medusa ransomware, causing a massive disturbance in their operation, taking down servers and blocking access for more than 24 hours. The hackers, identified as the Medusa Group, demanded 17 million pesos in exchange for the decryption keys. What is ransomware? It is malicious software, in short malware, that denies access to the infected computer system or its data. Cybercriminals demand payment to release the computer system. The government refuses to pay the ransomed amount. They are working with Philhealth and its outsourced cybersecurity vendors to complete the cleanup of the system. The most urgent task is to reactivate Philhealth's online portal and its services, since the health beneficiaries have been forced to undergo over-the-counter processing since Sunday, Friday, September 29th. In 2023, announced that it had resumed its online services. What can we learn from this incident? Everyone can be a victim, and what can we do about it is to be vigilant and knowledgeable about this kind of attack. There you have it, folks. If you learned new things today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.